Hey guys, I am teacher Jarixa and I will talking about tips to make a beautiful first impression. First impression is when we meet new people that they will always remember is the first impression we have, is all the clothes are beautiful, if your smile is beautiful, and who will have it. I'm going to show you some points that will be very important to give a nice impression. First, wear nice, clean clothes. Second, chill out. Third, smiles. 4, to be nice. And 5, to build. First, wear nice, clean clothes. When we go somewhere for the first time, Mom should our dress used beautifully and according to the cost. That's why they will always remember us that we are beautiful and elegant. Second, chill out. When we are in a new place, we must always be cleansed, relax, and trying to enjoy the day. Because if we feel good, others see us happy and I feel good. Smiles. It is always good to smile. This is emotion that shows that you are a person with a lot of feelings and make you giving space. First, to be nice. Being clean is a talent that a person has to show respect, sympathy, and affection towards others. 5. To be bleeded. When we arrive to a place, we should always say hello, say good morning or good afternoon, and ask you who other feels during the day, so that people know that you are a super police and a big chill. Remember that first impression is one that will help us the great chillers. Bye!